Hello everybody, found myself making another little video. Yes! Fuel on planes, how they've told us, is a lie and a hoax. I came across this person here through someone else. Someone sent me a video of him. His name is Viktor Schauberger. Thank you, Aaron. Now, he had done many experiments on hydrofusion. It was limitless, the free energy. We already had Tesla and free energy. He was into levitation and into compressed air. So you can stop any of this to look at it. I don't profess to be the best narrator here, but I just wanted to share with people on the channel that it is true that they have lied to us. And all those people that called me an idiot, you know, for doing what I did on the other videos I did. Now, he got really involved and had understood the core nature of the world. He noticed how birds flew, how they moved, and that they used hyperbolic centripetal spiral forces. Well, that was quite a mouthful. I hope that everybody understood what I meant. And it was air flow. He noticed how the air flew through their feathers with this updraft and the energy that it propelled the birds forwards and upwards. And he developed an engine that did the same thing. So it's a bit strange that suddenly we come across him after all this stuff about plane hoax and everything, and then there you are. He did all this in the early 1900s, and he worked with Hitler. And then basically I think the Americans got him, but he didn't want to work with them and he went back to Austria. And then 5 days later he was found dead. And yet this man was an amazing man. Imagine if he'd lived longer, what he would have been able to have done. You know, we already had Nikola Tesla and he had understood all that because there was so much free energy. Oh, look at that. I don't care what they say. Oh dear, that's such a great quote. You can go back and read it. Anyway, he seemed a really nice guy and he was amazing. So he had already made compressed engines. It's just disgusting, isn't it? You can go and find this person out yourself. Viktor Schauberger. He died in about 1958. I thought it was 55, but on here it says 1958. Obviously when he didn't want to be with the Americans. Now I know what I know. It's very suspicious, his death, isn't it? And given a bit more time, like 10 more years, what he would have been able to have done. Anyway, you can go and look this up for yourselves. Thank you so much.